Welcome back to the School of Soul, the social series. I'm ADELINE Atlas, and today we're clearing up one of the biggest myths that holds brands back. The idea that being creative matters more than being clear. Creativity gets attention, but clarity creates action. You can have the most beautiful visuals, the most clever slogans, and the most unique branding in the world. But if your audience doesn't immediately understand who you are, what you offer, and why it matters to them, they will move on. In branding, confusion is expensive. When people are confused, they hesitate, they delay, they keep scrolling. Clarity removes hesitation. It makes the decision simple. It makes your brand easy to trust, easy to remember, and easy to buy from. Being clear doesn't mean being boring. It means making sure that every piece of your brand, your message, your offers, your positioning, speaks directly and simply to the desires and needs of your ideal audience. It means that someone new to your world should be able to land on your page, watch your content, or hear about your product, and instantly know if it's for them. The mistake most brands make is trying to be too clever, too abstract, or too artsy, thinking it makes them look sophisticated. But sophistication without clarity is just noise. True mastery is making something simple without losing its power. Clarity builds confidence, not just in your audience, but in yourself. When you know exactly what you're offering and exactly how to communicate it, you move with more certainty. And certainty is one of the strongest currencies in branding. Final tip: don't aim to be the most creative. Aim to be the clearest. Because the clearest brand wins every time.